Truck is loaded. We got everything we need. Tons of fishing gear. Let's go. Welcome back to another episode of Vincent Butt Outdoors. I'm Vincent Butt, and this is my fishing hut. We're on a nice local lake. Just scouted for a bit, found some safe ice. It's about 14 inches or so. It's nice and warm. Last week was minus 30. Today is minus 11 Celsius. Not too bad. We're on this lake going for some lake trout. Our first lake trout of the season. So yes, we love lake trout fishing. It's super fun. So I'm gonna put the a GoPro on the Livescope and hopefully get some good footage for you. And yeah, got the tip ups up, nice and warm, snowing quite a bit, but we're lake trout fishing, so let's go. Okay, for the tip ups, we'll be doing like the little 1-2 punch meat rigs. On probably 50-60 feet, I'm gonna throw a Cisco on a little quick strike rig, and then in about 30 feet, I'm gonna leave it suspended, probably 10 feet, 20 feet off bottom. Frostbite meat head jig with a minnow and a stinger. So let's go set up the tip ups and go for some lake trout. Okay, let's go. First tip up of the day. I'm gonna raise it like 20 feet, maybe 10 or so. This guy down, down he goes. Get the tip up ready. Man, I love these units. Boom, set. And it's so warm. Just rigged up the wife's rod. She's gonna use the big 100mm tantrum. This beautiful color. With some Cisco. The Cisco tail, drop her down. We're going for a lake trout. First off, will be running Frostbite Dragon Slayer with a head spinner. And tip of the minnow, or tip of the Cisco tail again. I love Cisco tails with a stinger. Just so we don't miss the lake trout. That's a lake trout.
That's a lake trout.
There's one already.
Come back!
Okay, first flag and first fish of the day. Oh shoot, the roof froze. There you go. Honestly, it actually doesn't feel like a lake trout. Little head shakes. There we go. That's the trout there. Come on, buddy. Yeah, big head shakes. Big head shakes. It's on the Frostbite meat head jig. Suspended 10 feet off bottom. Let's see. Yeah, little lake trout. Oh, little guy. Okay. Let's get you up, buddy. Got him. I think it just inhaled that. Just inhaled it. What a beautiful fish. Wow. Yeah, beautiful lake trout. Let's go. Down he goes. Okay. Just got a flag on the Cisco. Doesn't seem to be running at all. Pull some line out. Nope, it's been dropped.
Come on.
She is reset. Now let's go back in the tent and try to catch one in the tent. Try to get a good chase. Oh, that one's. You got one. You didn't know he was on. He
I
just
didn't see.
I kind of ate like a pike. I'm going back down. Nice. Oh yeah. Oh, dog it. Seems like a nice one. Oh, not too bad. Get your hair legs wrapped up. Look at those. Nice.
Got my first lake trout of the season. I didn't realize it was on me, but
Yeah, it's a beautiful one.
beautiful fish.
Yes.
Do you think they would come up to the tent?
No.
Ooh, coming in from the right. Or is that a cone thing?
No, that's a fish. Oh, you got
Ah! Shoot! Oh, that was fast. Yep.
Yep, there you go. Oh, you're gonna eat. That one's eating. You go. Nice. Was that the one on the right? No.
No, there's it looks like another one.
There you go. It's turning on. Look at that. That's a hole.
Oh, it's a little one. Got another little skinny laker. It came in super duper fast. It bit me. I missed it. It went for Vincent. And then it went for me.
Yeah, it didn't want me.
Didn't want Vincent. Went for me. Bit hard.
Yeah, beautiful guy.
Beautiful baby. Thank you.
Oh, there's two. Yep, you can hit. Go!
It didn't. Okay, let me just do my thing.
Oh, yes. This guy's gonna eat.
There's two.
There's two, yeah.
There we go.
Get the other one.
Okay.
He's gonna chase you. Oh, it popped off. Dang it, I lost him. Right at the hole.
Get back down.
On the derby slayer.
Shucks.
You turn on. He's gonna get you again.
What is... What's going on? You did something.
He's too excited.
You did something. Oh, man. Chill.
He's gonna hit you again. There you go. Keep attention. There we go. Every time it's a charm.
Oh, my goodness.
Oh, I'm gonna one too. Double header. Come on.
Hurry up.
Oh god, careful, you got the...
Yeah.
Nice little guy.
Another laker.
Another one.
Another one.
Every time it's a charm. Oh, there you get one.
Oh.
Dang. Number 3?
Number
Dang.
Love you.
Love you too.
I'm sorry I'm not fishing you.
I'm letting you.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. We got a flag. We got a flag. It's getting a little windy. It's bobbing. It's on the big Cisco. It's on the Cisco. Let's see if he's still on. Okay. Let's see what we have. Oh no, out of his mouth. Nope, lost it. Okay, the Lake Trout is still there. We'll see if he eats it again. Actually holds onto it. Okay guys, we're gonna slowly start packing up here. Successful Lake Trout targeting day for the first time of the season. We got on, I think 5 to 6 all day. Kahea's been out fishing me for the past couple of days, past couple times. I caught one today. Well, not too bad. Still have time to get out, and she doesn't rub it in my face too bad. Yeah, I think I got some good Livescope footage for you guys. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Feel free to comment. Let me know what you guys want to see next. Okay, bye guys. Thanks for watching.
Bye.